Listen to me. Money can't run my head because I control money. Money doesn't control me. One of the main ways to make sure you have control of your money is you need a budget. You need to have this process in place that you use to take control of your money. And you have to be a boss because you are in control. You tell money where it goes. The budget creates that direction for your money and you direct it to your different expenses and of course to your investments because that's how you're going to be wealthy. If you want to learn the specific way to budget with abundance, which is how I teach it, come to the Profit Jumpstarter Wealth Bootcamp, January 12 to 14. Register on profitjumpstarter.com/wealth bootcamp. We have a budget and we have to be a boss when it comes to money if we intend on being wealthy and we want that wealthy